If you are new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Welcome to the Wisconsin Vegetable Gardener. I'm Joy Barrett. I'm going to do a seed haul for you from jungseed.com. I have a lot of seeds here. We always have a lot of seeds as gardeners, but we do have to be aware that there is an expiration date, meaning at a certain point they lose viability. So we don't want to buy too many if we're not going to use them in a reasonable amount of time. So jungseed.com is a sponsor of the Gardening with Joy and Holly radio show for season 9, heard on 18 stations in parts of 18 states here in 2025. So courtesy of them, we requested some seeds to help fill out some in which we were missing, and they do have a coupon code for 15% off your order, 15TG25, and I'll tell more about that momentarily. So we have sweet peppers. We need some of those. Some sunflowers. Some petunias. We always needed more tomatoes, so we have some Amish gold tomatoes. These petunias was the EZ Wave Burgundy Hybrid. Sunflowers was Ring of Fire, and the sweet banana peppers. We also have some Beef Master Hybrid tomatoes. Hybrids are not bad. They're not GMOs. It's just not recommended to save those seeds from year to year. Organic or hybrid is a better seed category in order to save if you're going to save seeds. Cherokee Purple tomatoes. Always need new onions, so we have Walla Wallas, and we have yellow sweet Spanish onions. Both are long days. If you're getting onion seeds, you need to know if you're in the long day, short day, or neutral day area of the United States, because that has 100% effect on the success of your bulb development. We have some more Gypsy Hybrid sweet peppers. We are not a hot pepper consumer here. We don't like hot peppers, so if you do, there are some varieties there. Original Lunchbox Mix. These are really nice compacted variety of peppers that like you get at the store, just little small banana shaped peppers. And let's see what else we have here. We have Wildflower Seed Mix Midwest, and then there's information attached to that, as well as showing the different seeds. Let's just open that up, not to pop that. There we go. This was attached to it. So this has, oh, okay. Got a staple here. Let's just get that out there. So this talks about the wildflower seed planting instructions and information, and it gives you all the names of the mix, that is, of the seeds that are in that mix. So that's very nice, and their germination rate. So that's good. Now, if you're wanting to purchase seeds from jungseed.com, all this information will be in the show notes below. The coupon code to save 15% off your order is 15TG25. Also, there's other companies in which jungseed.com owns. If you're interested in other products, Totally Tomatoes, rhshumways.com, as well as Vermont Bean, Edmonds Roses, and Roots and Rhizomes. So all of those, the same coupon code, you've seen them on the screen there. You can go and search out what you're looking for your particular garden and have a successful growing season. I'm Joy Barrett, and this has been the Wisconsin Vegetable Gardener.